Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today channel Dan Sreyoun is going to present you about 20 simple grammar rules. Here are 20 simple rules and tips to help you avoid mistakes in English grammar. For more comprehensive rules, please look under the appropriate topic, part of speech, etc. on our grammar and other pages. 1. A sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a period, full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark. For example, the fat cat sat on the mat. Where do you live? My dog is very clever. 2. The order of a basic positive sentence is subject, verb, object. Negative and question sentences may have a different order. For example, John loves Mary. They were driving their car to Bangkok. 3. Every sentence must have a subject and a verb. An object is optional. Note that an imperative sentence may have a verb only, but the subject is understood. For example, John teaches. John teaches English. Stop. 4. The subject and verb must agree in number, that is, a singular subject needs a singular verb and a plural subject needs a plural verb. For example, John works in London. That monk eats once a day. John and Mary work in London. Most people eat 3 meals a day. 5. When two singular subjects are connected by "er", use a singular verb. The same is true for either or and neither nor. For example, John or Mary is coming tonight. Either coffee or tea is fine. Neither John nor Mary was late. 6. Adjectives usually come before a noun except when a verb separates the adjective from the noun. For example, I have a big dog. She married a handsome Italian man. Her husband is rich. 7. When using two or more adjectives together, the usual order is opinion adjective plus fact adjective plus noun. There are some additional rules for the order of fact adjectives. For example, I saw a nice French table. That was an interesting Shakespearean play. 8. Treat collective nouns, e.g. committee, company, board of directors, as singular or plural. In Brie, a collective noun is usually treated as plural, needing a plural verb and pronoun. In aim, a collective noun is often treated as singular, needing a singular verb and pronoun. For example, the committee are having sandwiches for lunch. Then they will go to London. The BBC have changed their logo. My family likes going to the zoo. CNN has changed its logo. 9. The words its and its are two different words with different meanings. The dog has hurt its leg. For example, he says it's 2 o'clock. 10. The words your and your are two different words with different meanings. Here is your coffee. For example, you're looking good. 11. The words there, and there are three different words with different meanings. For example, there was nobody at the party. I saw their new car. Do you think they're happy? 12. The contraction he's can mean he is or he has. Similarly, she's can mean she is or she has, and its can mean it is or it has, and John's can mean John is or John has. For example, he is working. He has finished. She is here. She has left. John is married. John has divorced his wife. 13. The contraction he'd can mean he had or he would. Similarly, they'd can mean they had or they would. For example, he had eaten when I arrived. He would eat more if possible. They had already finished. They would come if they could. 14. Spell a proper noun with an initial capital letter. A proper noun is a name of something, for example Joseph, Mary, Russia, China, British Broadcasting Corporation, English. For example, we have written to Mary. Is China in Asia? Do you speak English? 15. Spell proper adjectives with an initial capital letter. Proper adjectives are made from proper nouns, for example Germany right pointing arrow German, Orwell right pointing arrow Orwellian, Machiavelli right pointing arrow Machiavellian. For example, London is an English town. Who is the Canadian Prime Minister? Which is your favorite Shakespearean play? 16. Use the indefinite article a and for countable nouns in general. Use the definite article the for specific countable nouns and all uncountable nouns. For example, I saw a bird and a balloon in the sky. The bird was blue and the balloon was yellow. For example, he always saves some of the money that he earns. 17. Use the indefinite article with words beginning with a consonant sound. Use the indefinite article and with words beginning with a vowel sound. For example, a cat, a game of golf, a human endeavor, a Frenchman, a university. 18. Use many or few with countable nouns. Use much, a lot or little for uncountable nouns. For example, how many dollars do you have? How much money do you have? There are a few cars outside. There is little traffic on the roads. 19. To show possession, who is the owner of something, use an apostrophe plus s for singular owners, and s plus apostrophe for plural owners. For example, the boy's dog. One boy. The boy's dog. Two or more boys. 20. In general, use the active voice cats eat fish in preference to the passive voice fish are eaten by cats. For example, we use active in preference to passive. Active is used in preference to passive. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.